What if you could make money whether the market goes up or crashes down? Same market, two different weapons. The difference is control. In options, there are only two types of contracts: call and put. One is driven by optimism, the other by fear. But both are built on control. A call option is the right to buy. You use it when you believe the price will rise. You pay a premium not for certainty, but for possibility. If the market moves up, your position gains value. If it doesn't, your loss is limited. You don't need to own the asset to benefit from its movement. A put option is the right to sell. You use it when you expect the market to fall or when you want protection. You pay a premium not to hope, but to prepare. Not to panic when everyone else does. If the market drops, your position gains value. If it doesn't, your loss is limited. You're not just trading price, you're protecting against uncertainty. Call versus put. One wins when prices rise. One wins when prices fall. One buys opportunity. One buys protection. Same structure, different direction. The real power comes when you combine them. Calls and puts. Not to gamble, but to shape the outcome. Imagine the same situation: a farmer and a company. In a call, the company wants to secure a future purchase. In a put, the farmer wants protection if prices collapse. Same contract, different intentions. And sometimes the same person plays both roles. Options are not just about making money. They are about positioning. They are about transferring risk. Risk never disappears. It moves from one side to the other. One side gives up certainty for opportunity. The other gives up opportunity for certainty. And the price of that exchange is everything. In the market, you don't have to choose a direction. You choose a strategy. Call or put. Opportunity or protection. Or both. At the same time or at different moments. At the same price or at different levels. Keeping the upside while protecting against what could go wrong. That's the real difference between knowing the market and understanding it. And that's exactly what we'll do next. We'll turn this into a real position. Simple, structured, controlled.